the bike does fire up, I'm gonna start tidying up, and I will also remove the airbox like I said it will do, and I'm looking to take out the carburetors so I can do a proper carburetor rebuild. So everything will have to come off, and I'll see what else I can find around here. Probably they need to replace them, because if I'm doing it, better do it properly. So yeah, I'll check all connections, everything else. The carburetor seems to be okay, but I'm not sure if they've been rebuilt or not, so I really would have kit to rebuild them. So yeah, fingers crossed all works okay. Right, so what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to remove the airbox, but before getting to the airbox I need to take the battery out, and also take out the CDIs and coil packs, which are right behind the airbox, and it's not really a hard thing to do. Just think a couple of bolts for every coil pack, and CDIs literally just slide out of some rubber holders. Also very important before removing the airbox is to disconnect it from the breather tank, which normally sits right behind the fuel tank under the seat. I have to say it's not really a very hard operation. It's fairly easy to do everything I'm doing over there. I was just struggling with having sufficient light, because in my garage shed lightning it's not very abundant, so I have to use additional lighting to see what I'm doing. But yeah, it can be done. I just want to prove that you know, with basic tools and a bit of motivation, you can do these sort of things. Now, once you take the airbox out, you need to make sure that you also put on the side all the wiring and everything, so it's not going to be in the way when you remove the carburetor. So making sure you don't really destroy anything in there, because it's going to be really difficult then to repair them. And you know, being such an old bike, I think sometimes sourcing parts or other bits for it just becomes a bit of a challenge. I have to say, this bike particular, it's been well maintained-ish. I mean, well stored. So all the bolts really came off fairly easy. Just need a bit of penetrator fluid put in there, and then it'll come out easily. And everything seemed to be, as you know, looking in very good condition after 33 years. So I'm quite pleased to see that. Just a bit of cleaning here and there, but otherwise all good. Also, one thing I have to say, just if you remove all of these, just make sure you put your bolts into the right place, so you know exactly where they're going back. Otherwise, again, it will be a bit of a struggle to guess where everything is going. Right, so that was everything to remove the airbox, and now I will show you how the carburetors look like and how easy it is to take them up. Right, so now I managed to take the airbox out, and the carburetors are more in reach. So to completely take them off, I'm just going to need to untie these clips, take the oil pipes off, and then hoses, sorry, and that should probably release them. They're also connected still to the fuel pump, and I think this is the choke cables and acceleration cables in there, which I'm looking to fully replace. Yeah, fingers crossed it will be an easy fix. Also, what I'm thinking to do is, while I'm here, to take the take out the caps from timing belts, just to have a check on the timing belts as well. So that's pretty much something which I'm planning to do as well today. Okay, so I'm looking to inspect how the timing belts look like. So there's not much light in here, it's a bit dark, but yeah, try to see if I can get this somehow sorted out. So there's quite a lot of bolts in there. Gonna have to one of the things which is with the timing belts is there's these caps on the other models. These are metal. The caps at the back are normally rubber, and then they tend to break with time. They tend to break, but well, fingers crossed it's not going to be that case with this one. One down. Check if I could find these bearings. It's a good practice to replace them. They don't seem to be too bad, but they do have marks on them, which shows marks of aging, so they might affect a bit the rubber. So ultimately, why not?